Getting a new windshield for the Miata. Nice. Friggity fresh. Look at that. Justin's got a new windshield. The truck's got a new windshield. I know. It's been broken for so long. Can't argue with that one. Damn, I think they gave me new window stripping. They did. Look at that. They said there was rust up in that corner. They sanded it and primered it for me. Nice of them. Good shit. Doing an oil change on Justin's car here. His oil looked pretty good, but you know, he's gonna do it anyway just to be safe. Drain it into this oil pan. Look at that. Still looks pretty golden. Nice. I'm gonna put that in my truck. Look at this fucking genius. Yeah, we're gonna do this. It's happening. Push the button. Don't push the button. New windshield, old oil. No hood struts. I mean, I pour oil all over this engine all the time. It's quite normal. Oops. Yeah, the oil's not even showing on the dipstick. We're good.
Nice.
We'll put this whole thing in there. When you're at the bottom of this, you're 4 quarts low or something like that. My gauge was on 50%. This will help, I guarantee it. Ye old redneck tune-up. Get all the clean that air filter. You know what I'm saying? It's a 7.3. It don't give a shit. Right, Scott? This fucking retard is grinding down brake pads with a grinder, no respirator. Look at the amount of dust. How's that fucking smell? At the very least, you're doing it outside now.
You're outside.
He was doing it in here earlier.
Come
How many
on,
times have
baby.
you test fit these?
This will be the 3rd time. Oh, God! Money!
How much did you have to grind them down past the fucking wear bars?
No, that's still like 4 millimeters.
What?
Frank,
Tire pressure gauge?
Frank, I need you to do that again. What's your tire pressure gauge?
55.
55 PSI?
45.
45?
Look your shirt up more.
What'd you do, fat boy?
Tire machine.
Nasty. That's a good one. That's gonna be a few weeks there. No, he's fine. It's gonna go forward. If it were to fall, it would move forward, and Frank's head right now is safe. I don't give a shit about Frank.
You have to terminate the axle?
Fuck. Come here. Come here. Ow, you dickhead. You got my thumb. Bitch ass, Frank.
Around my face. Why aren't you wearing
you're good.
Because we're waiting for your shit to get ready.
That became seasoned drinkers. We go around with freezies.
America. Fucking hashtag America. Alright. So how are we doing this, Zach? We're gonna
Right
point it. This is kind of more pointed.
No, right there.
Yeah, okay, I like that. Right? Yeah, he switched it back to the way it was. Yeah, remember when we were talking about that? Went ahead and made the bracket for the power steering pump reservoir. This is where I'm going to leave off. Starts up there with a V-band, comes down under to a flex joint, reduces down to 2-inch pipe with a flange, goes behind the alternator and up, and then we'll have this guy merge into the piece that's coming off of this.